Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about Pandas data structure. Okay, so data is nothing but collection of raw facts. Okay, so structure is nothing but representation. Okay, so data structure is nothing but representation of data. Okay, so in the last class we have discussed about pandas. Okay, pandas is a library. That library is used to clean the data, analyze the data, and prepare the data and manipulate the data. Okay, so here pandas data structure. Okay, so pandas deal with the following three data structures. So it contains three important data structures. One is series and data frame, and the next one is panel. Okay, so we already discussed arrays is used to store the data and pandas is used to analyze, clean and manipulate the data. Okay, so here these data structures are built on top of NumPy array, which means they are fast. Okay, comparing with arrays, these series data frame panel are very fast. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. Here dimensions and description. Okay, the best way to think of these data structure is the higher dimensional data structure is a container of its lower dimensions. Yes, so here if we take two dimensional is contained within one dimensional. So two dimensional contain one dimensional. Okay, so here two dimensional is container of one dimensional, right? For example, data frame is a container of series and panel is a container of data frame. So we have four numpy dimensions. Okay, so 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. So any array which contains element is known as 0 dimension. Okay, the array which contains collection of 0 dimensions is known as 1 dimension. The array which contains collection of 1 dimensions is known as 2 dimension. The array which contains collection of 2 dimensions is known as 3 dimensions. So by this, the 3 dimension is a container of 2 dimension. The 2 dimension is a container of 1 dimension. The 1 dimension is a container of 0 dimension. So in the same scenario, the data frame is a container of series. The panel is a container of data frame. Okay, so these are the three types of data structures. So these are very important data structures. Okay, so the three data structures are series, data frame and panel. Okay, so series is used to store the one dimensional data and data frame is used to store two dimensional data and panel is used to store three dimensional data. Okay, so here one labeled homogeneous. Okay, so here series is used to store homogeneous collection of elements, means similar data elements. Okay, and size is immutable. Okay, series size is immutable. What is meant by immutable? Once we enter the data, once we store the data, we cannot perform any manipulations. That means insertions and deletions are not possible in series. Okay, next one is data frame. So data frame is used to store two dimensional data. Okay, and size is mutable. Okay, so once we store the data in data frame, we can insert the data, we can delete the data. Okay, size is mutable. Next one is panel. So here panel is used to store three dimensional data. Okay, and the size is mutable, so we can perform insertions and deletion operations. Okay, so here mutability, all pandas data structures are mutable. Okay, that means changeable, we can perform insertions and deletions, except series, all sizes are mutable. Okay, series is immutable. Okay, Note, data frame is widely used and one of the most important data structures. So among three data structures, that is series, data frame and panel, data frame is most widely used data structure. So panel is used much less. Series is one dimensional labeled array of capable of holding data of any type like integer, string, float, objects, but it is used to store homogeneous collection of elements. The access labels are collectively called indexes. Okay, so by this class is completed. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.